Let me introduce to you 3D Chess. This amazing looking board is an interesting take on the classic game. It has some slightly different rules and some slightly different pieces, but it broadly follows the regular game. The first question you've probably got is how the pieces are going to stay on here, and they're all magnetic, so you set them up in a very similar way as you would with a normal chessboard. All the pieces go in the same positions, but there is a slightly different piece for the knight. So they come as a double piece, and the knights join together via magnets, and once in play these can be used either together or you can actually separate them out and they can play independently. The other slight difference with the setup is we've got two rows of pawns. So you have one row either side of the king line. To set the whites up, you just spin the board around and set it up in exactly the same way. The pawns have to move away from the king line and they can't cross the other king line either, so essentially you're playing those on half the board each. The rest of the pieces can move in either direction so they can cover the full board. It does take a little bit of getting used to. And aside from being a fun variation of the game, this board just looks so cool.